So in case you're wondering how to customize this mattress, all you have to do is unzip this cover here and you'll get access to the different layers of latex. Let me show you what I mean. So you get the zipper here. It's so simple. Pull back the wool cover and there you get access to the different layers of latex. So you can see that the latex is really nicely made. It's very spongy, and it's an amazing material. That one of the really amazing qualities of the natural latex is that the rebound is immediate. You don't have any reaction time. That's why changing positions on one of these mattresses is just a breeze, and it's less likely to disturb your sleep because you just get that immediate response from the natural Dunlop latex. So let me just show the different layers here. So you got the medium, and you get the firm on the bottom here. So that gives you an idea of how to customize this mattress. Just simply open up the cover, remove one of the layers and switch out the firm one, put it in the middle or on the top. One thing to be careful though is that natural latex is more fragile than polyurethane, so you do not tug at the natural latex layers because you run the risk of ripping the foam. The best way to move it is that you need to roll it up if you're moving it a couple of feet away, or if you got it in the general right location, say you've just set it on the mattress and it's just crooked, you just need to create a wave like this. Create a wave, and you'll see that the latex layer will move into place. You can just guide it to where you want it to go, and that way you don't run the risk of ripping the Dunlop latex layer. So other than that, I mean, if it's not being pulled or tugged or anything like that, it is super durable. So thanks for watching this sleep update. Check out the review on my website. Check out the comparison chart on naturalmattressfinder.com. My name is Daniel Boudreau. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I wish you the best sleep of your life on a natural latex mattress. See you on the next video.